All right, guys, so we're going to review chemical and physical changes. So this is something that you actually learned in the seventh grade, in the sixth and seventh grade. So you learn that physical changes, that's going to be something that changes shape, but it's still the same. It can be reversed. So for example, if you melt an ice cube and it turns into that liquid, you can use that liquid to go back to an ice cube. Or when you're boiling water, that steam is just water in gas form. So you can collect that steam and take it back to that liquid form, to that water. Okay. Chemical change is going to be a new substance is formed, and it cannot be reversed. So once you've burned some wood, you can't get that wood back. Okay. Or, when you're digesting your food, there's no way you're gonna get that burger back. Okay, it's gone and made some changes. It's gone through some changes in your body, and you've used that up. Again, another example. Again, the before the wood log. If you're burning it afterwards, you'll have a pile of ash. And then physical change is going to be something that is still the same substance. So it just might look different, but it's still the same thing. So we're going to do some practice. All right, so is this physical or chemical change? Baking a cake. What do you think? If you said chemical, you are correct. There's no way to get all that eggs, milk, sugar, all of that stuff back. There's no way. I cannot reverse it. How about boiling water? Is that physical or chemical? What do you think? If you said physical, you are correct. Okay. It's still water, it just changes form. How about digesting food? Physical or chemical? Yeah, it's a chemical change. Again, once you digest that food, there's no way to get that food back. So this is important because our new unit, we are going to be going over chemical reactions. So still talking about chemical change, but we're going to look to see what happens when substances are mixed together. And really by the end of today, guys, you're going to be able to identify chemical reactions from evidence. Okay, so remember, evidence is like proof. And so we're going to be looking at, you're going to be making observations, you're going to be reading or writing descriptions of reactions, and then you're going to say, yeah, a chemical change occurred and this is how I know it. This is my evidence. This is my proof. Okay, so that's what we're going to be focusing on. Today we're going to focus on 3 reactions or evidences, and then tomorrow we'll focus on the other 3. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.